If your PC fans are too loud or not cooling the way they should, you don't need new fans. You need a fan controller. In this video, I'll show you the best fan controllers for PC that help you control fan speed, reduce noise, and keep your system running cool and smooth. I've added all the top picks in the description below, so make sure to check the product links for the latest prices and details. Now let's get into it. Product 5 Corsair ICUE Link Titan 360 RX LCD RGB Cooler. Stop thermal bottlenecks. Unlock sustained high clock speeds. Gaming marathons or heavy renders, keep your CPU whisper quiet. Meet the Corsair ICUE Link Titan 360 RX LCD. FlowDrive 3-phase pump delivers high coolant flow, low noise. Precision cold plate and pre-applied XTM70 maximize thermal contact. 3 RX 120 air guide fans push radiator airflow with minimal noise. Full PWM control and 0 RPM mode for silent idling. IQ Link Hub simplifies wiring. Daisy chain components to one port. 2.1-inch IPS LCD shows temps, GIFs, logos, and custom graphics. 400E x480 resolution. Power City mild brightness. 30 FPS, vivid color. Cap swap modules let you instantly swap looks or add functionality. Supports latest Intel LGA 18551 1700 and AMD AM5 AM4 sockets. Lower sustained temperatures unlock higher clocks, longer lifespan, stable performance. Ideal for overclockers, streamers, and performance-focused system builders. Upgrade cooling. Check the product link in the description to see today's price, specs, and why so many builders are upgrading to the Titan 360 RX. Product 4. Noctua and AFC1 4-pin PWM fan controller, black. Meet the Noctua and AFC1. Compact 4-pin PWM fan controller. Takes manual control or pairs with motherboard PWM automatically. Quiet operation even with industrial PPC high-speed fans, reliably. No-stop mode prevents spins below 300 RPM, avoids BIOS errors. Control up to 3 fans simultaneously with included 3-way splitter. Compact black chassis with knurled rotary knob and LED indicator. SATA power adapter and sleeved cables for clean installations. Magnetic mounting option for quick placement inside any chassis. Like a volume knob for fans, turn down noisy chaos. Works as a manual reducer or intelligent PWM partner. Ideal for PC builders, quiet enthusiasts, and system integrators. Bench testing friendly. Tactile button. Bicolor LEDs, robust contacts. Durable design backed by a reassuring 6-year manufacturer warranty. Tiny footprint, big impact. Whisper quiet systems made simple. Check the product link in the description to see the latest price and grab yours today. Product 3 DarkRock 20 Port RGB PWM Fan Hub Remote Control. Tired of messy cables and dull case lighting? Meet DarkRock. Reason 1. Precise PWM control for up to 10 4-pin fans. Fine-tune speeds with the included remote for optimal cooling. Reason 2. Synchronized 5V ARGB lighting across 10 addressable fans. Vivid colors, music reactive modes, and quick access color presets. Reason 3. Dual SATA power for stable, dependable performance. Magnetic low-profile hub mounts instantly. Tool-free and tidy cable management. Supports full plug-and-play with motherboard sync and external control. Slim remote fits your hand. 24 tactile quick access buttons. Perfect for builders, modders, and gamers wanting clean setups. Install in minutes. Plug headers, attach magnets, connect SATA. Centralize 10 PWM fans and 10 ARGB devices easily. Increase airflow, reduce noise, and gain precise thermal control. 3 big reasons: control, lighting, power. All in one. Ready to upgrade? Check the product link in the description to see today's deal and upgrade your setup now. Product 2 Corsair Commander Duo ICUE Link Fan Controller. Are your PC fans louder than your life choices? RGB chaos, tangled cables, and no thermal control whatsoever. Temps spiking like rocket launches during your 20-tab gameplay? Meet my secret weapon, Corsair Commander Duo Tiny Beast. Compact matte black hub, magnetic back, installs like desktop Velcro. 2 devices in one, ARGB fan controller, and IQ Link bridge. 2 channels, 6 fans each, 12 daisy chain PWM fans. Sync lighting across channels, up to 50 LEDs per header. Precise PWM control and smart IQ fan curves for cooling. 2 flexible temperature sensors monitor hotspots you didn't even know. Plug a system hub and it becomes an IQ Link powerhouse. Integrated pass-through connectors and tidy cables satisfy OCD builders. For PC builders, modders, and gamers chasing clean performance. Punchy control, synchronized RGB, and quieter, smarter cooling instantly. Upgrade to Commander Duo. Your case will thank you. Check the product link in the description to see today's deal and upgrade your setup now. Product 1. Thermaltake Commander FP 10-port PWM fan hub. Sick of noisy, cluttered PC cooling and messy cables? Fans everywhere, tangled wires, and inconsistent airflow across components. Motherboard headers limited. Installation becomes a cable nightmare. Meet Thermaltake Commander FP, compact 10-port PWM fan hub. Powers up to 10 independent 4-pin PWM fans easily. Direct SATA power ensures stable, high-capacity fan operation. Blue LED indicator gives a clean status and style. Includes reusable ties, Velcro, and 1 PWM signal cable. Mount it low profile, route cables, then secure with ties. Connect SATA to PSU and single PWM to motherboard. Case becomes quieter, airflow improves, temperatures drop noticeably. Cables stay tidy, interior looks as good as exterior. Perfect for PC builders, gamers, and case modders alike. No fuss installation, maximum fan count, professional cable management. Check out the product link in the description to see why so many PC builders trust the Thermaltake Commander FP. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech picks.